Hi everyone, welcome to the website Allocation Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to share the first yield-based inscription marketplace in Polkadot ecosystem based on the Bifrost parachain, the BNCS, and I'm going to show you how to mint it. They just started not too long time ago, few hours ago actually. So this is their Twitter. They have several thousand followers already, which is quite good. And also, the minting just started. You can go to the website. So to mint the BNCS, first of all, you need to have some BNC where you can get it from the DEX or from the exchanges, the Bifrost token. And now you go to their website. It's quite easy. Just click the button mint, and then you can mint the inscription. And also you can go to your GS wallet and go to extrinsic and decode this one. Actually, you just need to copy paste this remark. It's similar to others like the Dota, this kind of inscription. Similar to that, you just copy paste and then you need to sign this transaction. So after you click sign, now you should be able to mint one inscription and go to their Binance website, connect your wallet. You can see that. Actually, another way is go through the sub wallet. So connect your sub wallet, and after you connect to it, you can mint directly from sub wallet. The good thing about that is you can even see your inscription. So after the minting, when it's successful, now go back to the sub wallet on the subwallet extension, where you can check your portfolio. There is also the inscription where they already support the BNCS, so where you can see your BNCS here. So this is quite nice. I would like to share, and you can have a try by yourself. And they even have a minting by the bot. If you are interested, you can also contact me, and I can share the tutorial if you want to write a bot and automatically do the minting. And if you are in the Chinese community, the AI Web3, we have a TG where we talk about the inscription in Polkadot, and it's quite a lot of people. They are talking about the meme coin, those kind of things. So feel free to join as well. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and happy minting. Bye.